You need to prepare 8 pieces of blue cheese for your recipe.
But first I'm making my burger mix. I'm dividing a piece of blue cheese into 8 pieces. This could be any kind of cheese that you want. Brie would work, cheddar would work, etc., etc. So I've divided.
To prepare the sauce for your burger, you'll need to add mayonnaise, chopped roasted red peppers, white wine vinegar, and ground pepper into a food processor. Start by adding 1 cup of mayonnaise, followed by a 1/4 cup of chopped roasted red peppers, half a teaspoon of white wine vinegar, and about 1/8 of a teaspoon of pepper. Once everything is in the food processor, process it until all ingredients are well combined and the sauce has a nice creamy texture. This sauce adds a delicious flavor to your burger.
You're gonna make your sauce right here in this food processor. A cup of mayonnaise, light work fine. A 1/4 cup of chopped roasted red peppers. Half a teaspoon of white wine vinegar. Basically, like a little more than a splash of white wine vinegar. And about 1/8 of a teaspoon of pepper. Freshly ground if you have it. Regular old pepper if you don't. And then just process that up just until it.
Can you describe this for me? And can you describe this? Okay. Can you describe this for me? And what am I doing right now?